Hey there, welcome to Mission Inbox. This is going to be a quick overview as to how our platform operates and how you can make the most out of it by yourself. First and foremost, you're going to go into the control center. This control center essentially is going to show you all the different IPs, all the different projects, domains, and mailboxes within the platform so that you can have a better understanding of where you're currently at without having to go into each of these different panels. The first thing that you have to do is connecting an IP into your Mission Inbox account. So you're going to click here where it says Add IP. You're going to select your provider. At this moment, we integrate with either Mailgun and SendGrid. So you're going to click here. You want to name it however you want to name it. Let's see, deal acquires. And then you want to paste your API key in this particular case. You want to click on yes and connect. At that point, Mission Inbox is already connected to your SendGrid or Mailgun account. Great. So next up, we have projects. Think of projects as folders, right? A way for you to bundle multiple domains and mailboxes together in a single place, so that you can have better management over either specific clients or specific departments, and in some cases, even specific salespeople, right? So project, you would associate it to a specific IP. Then you want to select, it could be client A, client B, client C. You want to click on add project, and at that point, every single domain, which is the next option, that you're going to add into Mission Inbox will be on a specific project itself, making it a lot easier for you to know how many domains I have for, let's say, for example, the sales team at Mission Inbox, or it could be client A, client B, client C, as I mentioned before. Next up, we have the domains. So under domains, you want to click here where it says select IP relay server. This is going to be the IP that it's going to send from. Then you're going to select a project, either from the ones that you have already generated. So in this case, I want to do it on the Mission Inbox sales team, and then I'll do try.example.com, right? I'm going to click here on add a domain, and then it's just going to generate it and add it into my account. Now you're going to see that some domains will have a verified status versus a not verified status. And this is really, really important. So once you have added your domain, you want to click here where it says domain. And then you're going to see this option right here, which says connection. In connection, you want to click on that. And then it's going to give you all the DNS records that you will have to authenticate or add into your domain hoster for it to be connected, to be verified, meaning the SPF, the KIM, the DMARC, etc. So you have all these different records. This is going to be the host value and the status. Once you have added them, you want to click on where it says verify, and it's going to say or show something similar to this. Once you're there, you have multiple options of creating mailboxes. So you can either go into your control center and scroll all the way down until it says add mailboxes. In this case, you want to click on manual mailbox creation. The domain itself would be this one in particular, and I will do, let's say, Tony. Username, that's basically what's going to look like. For example, in my case, tony@missioninbox.com. So that would be my username. I'll just type it down as Tony. Password, we're going to generate something automatically here. Let's use this one. And the reply to email, in case you want to have every single response be sent back to that specific address. It could be your corporate account or some sort of things like that. You want to click on where it says add, and then you can see that it's already added. You could do multiple variations of this at the same time. So you could do Tony.b. You could do Tony B, you could do whatever you want with it, and you want to hit on purchase. After that point, you want to go back to the main website or the main page where it shows as mailboxes, right here. And then you're going to be able to see pretty much all the different mailboxes that you have within the account. You have multiple ways of sorting them, either by, latest, oldest, from A to Z, and you can show multiple different options over here. After that, you want to click on where it says bulk export. So in this bulk export feature, essentially what's going to happen is that you will be able to download a CSV so that it's natively connected to either Instantly, SmartLead, or Reply, so that it's a one-click integration where you can add all these different mailboxes without having to go one by one into each one of them, right? So if I were to click here in Instantly, it's going to generate a CSV file with pretty much all the data that I would need, either on the SMTP host, on the IMAP, passwords, etc. So if I click here, I'm going to see it over here. It's going to load it up, and now I have all the data so that I can just bulk upload it into Instantly, SmartLead, or Reply.io. And that's it. That's how you get started on creating your mailboxes, your first mailboxes into Mission Inbox. And as soon as you start sending emails out, we're going to get that data via API from your SendGrid account or your Mailgun account to tell you how many emails you have sent out, plus other interesting data points overall. Thank you very much, and until next time.